Hey folks, Saidi Johnson, MarineMax Sail and Ski, Austin, Texas, 183 North location. Today we're on a 2020 Bayliner 160 Element. This is a small boat with a lot of value. The first thing you'll notice, or not even the first thing, but eventually you'll notice that this boat has a lot of space on board. It'll hold 6 people, but it's very spacious. We started off by adding the 2 extended swim platforms. Those are additional. We also upgraded the 75 horsepower 4-stroke very quiet engine. We also, along with the 75 horsepower engine, we added the sports arch to pull a tube, wakeboarder, general purpose towing. This thing also folds in if you needed to. And then back here you'll see that there's some space. This bow filler is removable, so if somebody wanted to sit knee to knee here, they could do that. That's 2 places. The other thing you can notice is that it has a has this awesome accessible and removable 12-gallon fuel tank. So if you don't want it in here, you can take that out when you're storing your boat. That's a good thing. You also notice that we've got a nice BIMINI top. We've got nice surround seating here. When you sit down, you'll notice that there's a back bolster extension. So if you want a little bit more depth or less depth, you can add or subtract this piece. This boat comes with really good steering. It's rack and pinion, not power. And this gives you an exact steering on your pinpoint to hold you on a line. I like it. It's got a horn, bilge pump, anchor lights, nav lights, real simple. Over here you'll find a Bluetooth radio head unit, small scale, along with USB 12-volt charging inside that little panel there. Another good thing is that there's some storage underneath these seats. Plenty of storage underneath all 3 of these cockpit seats. The boat's got 2 good speakers on it along with the radio. Which is not normal, is the bow filler board and the bow filler cushion. So you can make this space even nicer than it already is. There's plenty of storage under here on both sides, this side and that side. Real simple without the windshield. And this boat will hold 6 people. So you're looking at a boat that's got a lot of space and gets you in and out of the water. The other thing that people really gravitate towards on this boat is the M-shaped hull for stability. So this boat, when it turns flat instead of leaning, and when it's in choppy or more oscillating waters, it stays balanced better than a lot of boats will with that type of V shape, the M-shaped V in the bottom. So come check out this boat. If you want to get a simple, inexpensive boat to get you on the water with your family, come and see this one. This is a good choice. We'll see you next time. Saidi, MarineMax Sail and Ski, 183 North. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, please call me or our other staff members, or come see us at our locations, Austin, Lakeway, San Antonio. We'll see you on the water.